everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renata, and in today's video I will be sharing with you my completed sequin dress with the fabric that was gifted to me by Minervadotcom. If you did not look at my previous video, I will leave a link either above or down below so you can go check that one out where I talk to you about the fabric. In this video I'm showing you the completed project, so if you want to see how it turned out, please meet me in the next clip. Okay, today is the day that I get to share this awesome, stressful, but fabulous dress. Thank you so much to Minervadotcom for sharing this fabric with me and allowing me to use it. The opportunity that they have given me definitely is the highlight of my sewing for 2019, because I haven't done quite a lot of sewing as I've done in the past, and this year this fabric tops everything that I've worked with so far. But before we get to anything else and move on, I wanted to thank you guys for taking time out of your day to look at this video. I do appreciate it, and trust me, in the coming months I will be here more frequently. A lot of things are going on in my life and I'm just trying to iron all those issues out and be back here consistently giving you content that you like and just sharing my sewing and actually having time to sew. I cannot wait for the opportunity to do that more frequently. So let's jump into this fabric and the dress. One thing I wanted to let you know about this fabric is I think it's really a good quality sequins fabric. Like I said, I have never worked with sequins before, but through research I know that there are a few different types. There are the costume sort of fabric where the sequins, I believe, might be a little not as tough or as sturdy. They're glued on to the mesh or the knit or the lace fabric. Then there are those that are individually attached to the mesh or knit fabric, and then there's also an embroidered type of sequins. I don't know too much about that. I didn't spend a lot of time because that's not the fabric that I had to deal with. So this fabric, I do want to point out that the loops are amazing on this. Each disc is individually stitched twice with a thread. It's going to be difficult for me to share that with you, but I'm going to try my best. So these are the disc, and hopefully you guys can see the thread. In my little brain, I believe that each loop is stitched twice with a thread and then they move on to the next disc. Don't worry about that. I haven't talked for a while. But as you can see back here, let's see if this can focus in. These, oh gosh, I wish you guys could see better here. This is such a thick sort of chain stitch going on back here behind each of the disc, and I think that's what makes this a really good fabric, because when I clipped it, I will be taking out only one disc instead of all the disc, or actually being scared when I clip it that 5-6 disc fall out. When I clip this, one of the disc comes out, and the process that I used to clip it was with the duck bill scissors here, and all I did, I can totally clip along this all the way down if I needed to, and because of the tip of the duck bill I can stop at a particular point on my seam allowance without having fear that, you know, I surpass the seam allowances or I've gone past a certain point. I love this. I tried it with my regular clipping shears and I didn't have a lot of success. I didn't have the flexibility to get to certain points, and I enjoyed using this scissors to get my sequins off. Okay, now the dress. The dress is this beautiful birder style pattern. As you can see, it is a evening wear dress. There's a beautiful bodice, and then the midriff is very structured. And then you have the long flowing skirt with a gourd behind. Fabulous dress, simple sew. Instructions were very simple, very straightforward, no problems at all. I think this was the easiest pattern you can work with after having all the hours sucked out of you from removing sequins from 9 pieces, all 4 corners. I mean, the preparation alone can just suck you dry, and having a simple pattern that makes the process 10 times easier and also 10 times worth it. And I feel like simple patterns really help to elevate this fabric. You can actually see the fabric. The fabric is speaking through the design. It's nothing like overboard. There's not a lot of pleats and stuff where you have to work too hard to get the effect. It just speaks out with its fantastic design. So I was really happy about the dress. I was happy with how it turned out. I wasn't happy with all the time that I had to spend prepping, but you know, after I did all my research, I knew what to expect. And I think before you jump into a project, you definitely need to do some research. You need to figure out, you know, what is the first step, what should I do, and that helps you in the end. If you do all the hard work in the beginning, when you actually sit down and get sewing, it turns out amazing. But I feel like I'm super chatty right now. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna make sure you guys take a full 360 of this dress, and I will meet you in the next clip. Okay, there you have it. What do you think about this dress? I think it's really worth all the the pains because it turned out amazing. I love the design. I think it's just an amazing dress. I'm going to wear it for Christmas, our Christmas dinner with the family. I'm going to, yeah, get everyone decked out because I can't be the only well-dressed person at the table, right? So this is a dress I will wear for Christmas dinner. I think it's beautiful. I'm so happy that I actually took the time to work on this project because it's amazing, and I really am satisfied. There wasn't anything different that I did. I didn't alter anything. I made a size 12, if I didn't say that before. And yeah, that's basically it. It's an amazing dress. It's a great fabric. I really am happy about having the opportunity to tackle this. I feel definitely more confident when it comes to trying new fabrics. I've always been scared of trying different things. I love to sew with knit, so that's okay. I've always been nervous about woven because if it's not cut right, then it won't fit, but I'm getting better and I'm getting more confident in my sewing, so I'm really happy with this make. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Follow the Twilight Stitcher on Instagram and my Facebook. I don't really tackle Facebook a lot because there's just so many different social medias and I feel like I need to focus on one. But if you feel the need, you can just definitely check me out on Facebook. Otherwise, Instagram is the place that I am, and on YouTube more often. Links will be left down below to everything that I shared today. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know and I will try my best to answer you as soon as I can. Thanks again and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.